Top 5 Best Nylon 3D Printers. Number 5. Junco Intelligent Industrial Grade 3D Printer. The last best nylon 3D printer on our favorites list is the Junco Intelligent Industrial Grade 3D Printer. The machine has a build volume of 300 by 250 by 300 mm, and it can print using nylon PC, carbon fiber, polyurethane, polylactic acid, metal, plastic, and many other filaments. This machine is ideal for those who want to get into industrial 3D printing. Its unique features include a powerful heating system, an advanced cooling system, and a high-quality print head. The machine also has a single extruder, a double-sided print head, and a dual Z-axis driver. It also comes with an integrated vacuum pump that helps reduce the amount of dust generated by the printer. It is also best suited for professionals looking for a reliable, durable, and efficient 3D printer for industrial applications and home, hobby, education, design, and engineering uses. What makes it stand out? We especially love the fact that the Junco printer comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty. This guarantee gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected against defects. During the 1 year, you will also receive free customer support. Junco also offers free slicing software that increases print quality by up to 30%. The program includes free updates for a lifetime. If need be, you can upgrade to paid software for advanced features. Which disadvantages must you keep in mind? We think this printer would be better if the manufacturers had a specified support website. Junco does not have a community or a website to obtain tips essential information about their product. The industrial-grade printer is not reliable too. During our tests, some components would fail to perform their work as they should. Failures lead to the production of low-quality printouts. We also found that their filament design is so poor. In our tests, the filament would keep oozing out when traveling back and forth. This defect leads to stringing. Coming in number 4. WEEDO F152S 3D Printer. The WEEDO F152S is another best 3D printer for nylon that supports various filaments such as PLA, ABS, TPU, and PC. It features a removable heated glass bed, an auto power-off feature, built-in runout detection for filament, and automatic bed leveling. The model can handle large 3D printouts with its 200 by 185 by 195 build volume. The F152S printer is best suited for 3D printing novices. For starters, it doesn't require assembly. It also comes with a wizard startup interface that will help you familiarize yourself with its controls. Other beginner-friendly features in the printer include automatic leveling, a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, resumption function after a blackout, and filament runout auto-detection. Each interface in the machine has a help icon which makes it easy for beginners to learn the machine's functionality quickly. The error diagnosis and FAQ features will come in handy when resolving errors. WEEDO Tech support team can be reached at any time if you face issues with your printer. What makes it special? We liked how this machine was designed with safety and health in mind. It has a fully enclosed design that is equipped with driver controllers to make printing silent. The device also has a 0.08 mm air filter that blocks fine particles produced during printing from exiting the printer. In our tests, we also loved their quick slicing software. It brings a brand new next-level experience to 3D printer users. The program has fast loading, slicing, accurate print time prediction, and filament consumption features. What cons did we find? We don't like how this machine clogs too much. In our tests, we had to spend much time unclogging it than printing. Although the device has good tech support from the manufacturers, there is a limited community as the brand is relatively new to the market. In our tests, we also found that the Wi-Fi control feature is only limited to Android phones. If you own an iOS model or a phone running on any other software, you will not be able to do it. The manufacturers have indicated that this is an industrial-grade printer, however, it has a limited build volume and slow printing speed. Coming in number 3. Dremel DigiLab 3D45. Dremel 3D45-01 is a feature-packed printer that can produce accurate prints. It comes loaded with powerful leveling software.
The machine can also handle advanced materials that require high temperatures such as eco-ABS, polycarbonate, and, of course, nylon. It also includes a removable building platform which offers a maximum of 6.7 by 10 by 6 inches build volume. Depending on your needs and wants, the Dremel 3D 45-01 might be a fair, excellent, or limited 3D printer. If you plan to stay within its specified ecosystem and operating settings, it is a great machine that offers safety and reliability. But once you stray outside the manufacturer's recommendations and proprietary boundaries, the printer's capabilities take a nosedive. Generally, the machine is beginner-friendly and easy to set up. It is equipped with a color touchscreen containing intuitive icons for operation. What makes it stand out? During our review, we loved how this printer keeps you connected with ease. The 3D 45-01 offers several connection choices to keep you happy and contented. You can print through a USB drive, USB cable, Ethernet, or even a Wi-Fi connection. Although the printer lacks a mobile app, you can monitor everything from the Dremel Printer Cloud. From here, we could slice files easily, launch printing jobs, and watch the progress from its onboard camera. It produces excellent printouts with high resolutions and no misprints or flaws when it comes to print quality. Which disadvantages must you keep in mind? We think this printer would be better if it were optimized to handle third-party materials. The manufacturer recommends sticking to its filaments. If you use materials from other companies, the print quality might not be that good. The manufacturer also offers limited color ranges to its filaments. You can only print in 11 shades, which is a limitation to artists. We also think this machine would be better if its touchscreen were always exceptionally responsive. Coming in number 2. Our QIDI Technology iFast. Another great option for 3D printing nylon is the QIDI Technology iFast 3D printer. The machine is named so because of its speed. It features the best filament, versatile, quick printing speeds, and professional building results. iFast also has an enormous print volume, heated bed, dual extruders, and industrial-grade body hardware. The iFast printer is the lasted offering from QIDI Technologies. The machine is the most extensive and most expensive printer produced by the company to date. iFast succeeded the iMates model, which is a bit smaller in size and has lesser features. The latter has a single X-axis and extruder. On the other hand, iFast has two Z-axis drivers and extruders. Both models use fixed deposition modeling technology to print. However, iFast prints at a much faster pace, just as its name suggests. What do we love it for? During our review, we loved how the best large nylon 3D printer is compatible with many filaments. The machine uses all kinds of materials available on the market to print. In addition to being able to use any filament, iFast is true to its name. We found that the machine can comfortably build high-quality prints at realistic speeds of about 80 to 100 mm per second. We also loved how simple it is to attach filaments and remove built models. What were we disappointed with? We didn't like the bulkiness and heaviness of this printer. Before you purchase it, make sure your workspace can handle such a significant volume. Be sure to have someone else in your workstation to help you carry and set it up. Also, we recommend setting it up in one permanent place since it is bulky. Another thing that we did not like about iFast is how expensive the printer is. However, if you can match the price, it is the best 3D printer for ABS and nylon. Coming in number 1. QIDI TEC X-Plus. The first nylon 3D printer on our list of favorites is the QIDI Technology 3D printer. It is an enormous premium 3D printer with an enclosed room that produces excellent quality printouts. The machine is a product of QIDI Technology, a Chinese firm specializing in developing high-quality, high-performance 3D printers. The company has been in operation for over 6 years. So you can count on them for excellent quality and smooth-running machines. The QIDI TEC X-Plus printer is best suited for 3D model enthusiasts and medium to low industrial production. For you to use the machine, you only need a little knowledge of 3D printing. Everything else is covered in the printer manual, right from assembly to usage.
X-Plus is also equipped with state-of-the-art slicer software that makes your printing experience more exciting.
The manufacturer claims that the software improves your print quality by 30% and speed by up to 20%.
Why did it make our list?
During our review, we liked how easy it is to assemble this printer. It took us only 10 minutes to fully fit in every component to where it belongs. The delivery of the TEC X-Plus was faster compared to all the other printers in this listing. When it comes to printout quality, this machine produces high-quality and precision 3D models. When it was printing, we measured and found that it created a 40 decibel sound.
This feature makes it the best 3D printer for nylon filament for use in areas where noise is a concern. What is not ideal about it?
We think that this printer could be better if the manufacturers provided software with advanced features. Their slicer program is a no match to mature programs such as Cora. During our tests, we also encountered problems with the touchscreen printer interface. It was so confusing when making bed adjustments and loading the filament. We hope the manufacturer will update the user interface in the future to make it simpler.